20th question. Answer any three questions. Explain fixed point and floating point representation with example. Fixed and floating point number in digital technology data is stored in memory registers with binary bit zeros and ones. Because the computer only understands binary language, when we enter data in the system, it is covered into binary bits and it's processed the use of CPU in different ways. Memory register have a format and a specific range of stored data. Scientists have designed a real number of representation method in memory register of 8-bit, 16-bit, 32-bit. There are two types of approaches that are developed to store in real number with the proper method. Fixed point number, floating point number. Representation of real number is floating point representation, fixed point representation. Fixed point representation is computing a real data type for number. With help of fixed number representation, data is covered into binary form, then data processed, stored and used by the system. Sign bit, integral part, fractional part, the three bits of separated in this type, and then convert the number into binary form, represent binary number in fixed notation, and then smallest negative number in fixed point representation. It's denote a binary code number. Smallest negative number are denoted in the screen, largest number fixed point representation are display on the screen. And then floating point representation, limitation of fixed point notation. Floating point representation developed by scientists. The computer system uses floating point number representation, convert input data into binary form. The binary form number is converted into scientific notation. The scientific notation converted into floating point representation. This two type of notation is floating point notation, scientific notation and normalized notation. Scientific notation method is representing a binary number of a into b of e form. Scientific notation is further converted into floating point notation because floating point notation only accepts a scientific notation. So this is denoted by this formula: a into b of a equal to any real number, b equal to b, c equal to exponent integer. So examples are given in the screen. Normalized notation, it is a special case of scientific notation. Normalized notations means after the decimal point we have at least one non-zero digit. This is m into b of e. These values are represented in this screen. Zero cannot be represented or normalized because the representation set starts from 0 1. So how we can normalize 0? It is not possible. If the most significant bit of Mantiza is non-zero, such as representation called normalized floating point. Four things are used to representing a floating point number: sign of Mantiza, sign of exponent, magnitude of Mantiza, magnitude of exponent. How to represent a floating point representation means this is three bit types: sign bit, exponent part and Mantiza part. A sign bit is a fixed point numbers. Binary uses a sign bit. A positive number has been sign bit 0 while a negative number as sign bit is 1. Floating point representation, sign of a number always depends upon the Mantiza or not on exponent. Hence, since sign bit in the format is always for Mantiza and not for the exponent, Mantiza part is a different length in a different place. It depends on the size of the register. Like 16-bit register, Mantiza part is a 8 bits. Exponent part is the power of number. It depends on the register size. Like in the 16-bit register, exponent part is 7 bits. Excess 16, 64, 128, 512 use store exponent this format. Three steps are followed in this type, and this more calculation will be used on this normalized notations. Normalized notations will use this excess 64. 21 question. Describe the three basic types of data manipulation instructions. Data manipulation instructions perform operation on data and provide the computational capabilities for the computer. The data manipulation instructions in a typical computer usually divided into three basic types as follows. One is arithmetic instructions, second one is logical and bit manipulation instructions, third one is shift instructions. First one is arithmetic instruction. Four basic arithmetic or addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Most computers provide instruction for all four operands. Name, mnemonics, example and explanation will be given on the screen. Name is increment, decrement, add, subtract, multiply, divide, add with carry, subtract with borrow. Mnemonic is INC, DEC, add, sub, mul, div, add C, sub B. And then example is INCB, DECB, add B, sub B, mul B, division B, add CB, sub BB. And this explanation is given on the screen. I will tell you the three explanation of this mnemonic code. INCB is it will increment the register B by 1, B less than minus B plus 1. DECB, it will decrement the register B by 1, B less than minus B by 1. Add B is, it will be content of register B to the content of accumulator, store the result in the accumulator, AC less than or minus AC plus B. And another mnemonic explanation will be displayed on the screen. Second one is logical bit manipulation instructions. Logical instructions perform binary operation on strings of bits stored in register. They are useful for manipulating individual bits or a group of bits. Typical logical bit manipulation instructions name, mnemonics, example, explanation are given in the screen. I will tell you the name: clear, complement, and or exclusive or clear carry, set carry. Mnemonic is CLR, COM, and or XOR, CLR, C, set C. Example is the same thing to added a B and C. And the explanation, I will tell you the three explanation of first three. It will set the accumulator to 0 AC less than or minus 0. It will complement the accumulator AC less than or minus AC. It will AND the content of register B with the content of accumulator and store it in the accumulator AC less than or minus AC and B. And another explanation will display on the screen. And then shift instructions. Shift or operations in which are bit of the word to move into the left or right. Shift instruction may specify either logical shift, arithmetic shift, or rotate shift operations. Shift names: logical shift right, logical shift left, arithmetic shift right, arithmetic shift left, rotate right, rotate left, rotate right through carry, rotate left through carry. Its mnemonic name is SHR, SHL, SHRE, SHLA, ROR, ROL, RORC, ROLC. 22nd question. Explain the functional unit of 8085. Microprocessor architecture and its operations. The microprocessor is a programmable device designed with register, flip-flop, and timing elements. Architecture. The process of data manipulation and communication is determined by the logical design of the microprocessor is called the architecture. All the various functions performed by the microprocessor can be classified in three general categories: microprocessor initiated operation, internal operations, peripheral operations. Microprocessor initiated operations on 8085 bus organization. MPU performs primarily four operations: memory read, memory write, input output read, input output write. Reads the data from memory, writes the data into memory, accepts data from input device, send the data to output device. 8085 MPU performs a function using three set of communication lines called buses: address bus, data bus, control bus. The buses are the group all called system buses. Address bus. The address bus is a group of 16 lines generally identify 80 to 815. The address bus is unidirectional. The 8085 bus structure is displayed on the screen. Data bus. The data bus is a group of 8 lines used for data flow. This lines is bidirectional data flow in both direction between MPU and memory and peripheral devices. Control bus. The control bus is comprised of various signal lines and carry synchronization signals. MPU uses such lines to perform the third function, providing timing signals. Internal data operations and the 8085 registers. The internal architecture of the 8085 microprocessor determines how what operations can perform with the data. These operations are store 8-bit data, perform arithmetic and logic operation, test for conditions, sequence the execution of instructions, store data temporarily during execution in the defined read-write memory locations called the stack. The 8085 programmable register diagram will be displayed on the screen. Register 80856 general purpose register to perform the first operation it about they store 8-bit data during program execution. The register are defined as B, C, D, E, H, and L. Accumulator. The accumulator is an 8-bit register that is part of the arithmetic logic unit. This register is used to store 8-bit data and to be perform arithmetic and logic operations. The result of an operation is stored in the accumulator. The accumulator is also defined as a register game. Flags. The ALU includes 5 flip-flop that are set or reset according to the result of an operation. The microprocessor uses them to perform the third operation, namely testing for data conditions. Program counter. The 16-bit register deals with fourth operation, sequencing, executing of instruction. The register is memory pointer. Stack pointer SP. The stack pointer is also 16-bit register used to memory pointer. Initially, it will be called the stack pointer register 2. Emphasis that it is a register. It points to a memory location, read-write memory called the stack. Peripheral or externally initiated operations. External device can initiate the following operation: reset, interrupt, ready, hold. Reset means when the reset pin is activated by an external key is also the reset key. All internal operations are suspended and the program counter is clear. Now the program execution can again begin at the zero memory address. Interrupt. The microprocessor can be interrupted from the normal execution of instructions and asked to execute some either instructions called a service routine. The microprocessor resumes its operation after completing the service routine. Ready. The 8085 has a pin called ready. If the signal at this ready pin is low, the microprocessor enter into a wait state. This signal is used to primarily synchronize slower peripherals with the microprocessor. Hold. When the hold pin is activated by the external signal, the microprocessor relinquishes control of buses and allows the external peripheral to use them. For example, the hold signal is used to direct memory access DMA data transfer. 23rd question. Write a program to division of two 8-bit numbers in 8085. Address mnemonics command are displayed on the screen. Address is 2000, 2003, 2004, 2006, 7, 8, 9, 200C, 200D, 200D, 211, 2011, 2014, 15 and 18. Mnemonics like LXI 2050, MOV B, M, MVIC, 00, INXH, MOV A, M, CMPB, JC 2011, Sub B, INRC, JMP 2008, STA 3050, MOV A, C, STA 3051, HLT. And then command is B less than or minus M, C less than or minus 00H, and 2007 command is A less than or minus M. JCC 2001 check for carry. Sub B is A less than or minus A minus 1. INRC is C less than or minus C plus 1. STA 3050 is STA 3050 less than or minus A. Move A, C is A less than or minus C. STA 3051 is 3051 is A. Actually terminate the program. 24th question. Explain about 8255A programmable peripheral interfaces. 8255A general purpose programmable input output device designed to transfer the data from input output to interrupt input output under certain conditions as required. It can be used with almost any microprocessor. It contains 8-bit bidirectional input output port which can be configured as a requirement. Port of 8255A. 8255A has 3 ports, for example port A, port B and C. Port A contains 8-bit output latch buffer and 1 8-bit input buffer. Port B is similar of port A. Port C is split into 2 parts. PCO, PC3, port C is upper, PC7, PC4 is control word. These 3 ports are further divided into 2 groups as Group A include port A and port C. Group B is port B and port C. 2 groups can be programmed 3 different modes. First mode is named mode 0, second mode is named 1, third mode is mode 2. Operating modes are 8255A, 3 different operating modes, mode 0, mode 1, mode 2. Mode 0. In this mode, port A, port B used to 2 8-bit ports of port C to 4-bit ports. Each port can be programmed either input mode or output mode, where outputs are latched into ports to have input capability. Mode 1. In this mode, port A, B used 8-bit input output ports. They can be configured either input or output ports. Each port uses 3 lines from port C. Handshake signals input outputs are latched. Mode 2. In this mode, port A can be configured as a bidirectional port and port B either mode 0 or mode 1. Port A uses 5 signals from port C, handshake signals for data transfer. The remaining 3 signals from port C can be used either as simple input output or handshake for port B. Feature of 8255A. Prominent feature of 8255A as follows. It consists 3 8-bit input output port, for example PA, PB, and PC. Address data bus must be external demuxed. It is TTL compatible. It has improved DC driving capability. 8255 architecture. This is the architecture diagram display on the screen. This is a pin diagram of 8255A. Data bus buffer is tri-state 8-bit buffer which is used to interface a microprocessor of the system data bus. Data transfer are received by the buffer and then instructions by the CPU. Control words and status information also transfer using this bus. Read-write control logic means this block is responsible for controlling the internal external transfer data. Data control stated word. Accept the input from the CPU address of control buses. Turn issues command of both and control groups. CS means a chip select. The low on this input selects chip and enables the communication between 8255A and the CPU. It is connected decoder address A0 to A1 and the A1 are connected to the microprocessor address lines. This result depends upon the CS A1 A0 and the result is displayed on the screen. WR means it stands for Right, this control signals enables the write operation. When this signals go slow, the microprocessor writes into a selected input output port or control register. Reset, this is an active high signal. It clears the control register and set all ports in the input mode. RD means it stands for read. It control signals enables a read operation. When the signal is slow, the microprocessor read the data from the selected input output port to the 8085. A0 and A1, the tabular column will display on the screen. A1, A0, RD, WR, CS, and this result are display on the screen. Second year BCA Computer Organization Model 1 question paper completed.